A very good evening and welcome back to Living Beyond the Lines with Swati once again. Literally, it's an odd hour to start the vlog today. What is the time? It's about 8:20 almost. And ultimately, tomorrow, going back to school, holidays are over. तो इतने दिन छुट्टियों के बाद स्कूल वापस जाना, so trying hard to overcome the depression phase. Only challenge is getting out of the blanket early in the morning and to get ready and to leave. I think literally that's the worst part of winter, when you have to wake up early in the morning. So what to do? Every good thing comes to an end, and after every sunset there is the sunrise. So we'll be waiting for the next slot of holidays to come whenever and wherever it is. But today, to just get adapted to the depression mode, we are going to have a pizza party tonight. कल से स्कूल तो शुरू हो रहा है, लेकिन again till class 8 it's going to be online mode क्योंकि it's too cold yet. So the DM's order is till next week, and unfortunately Pupul is on the senior zone now. So he has to go to school, he has to wake up early in the morning. तो आज का पिज़्ज़ा जो ज़्यादा उसके लिए ही है, so that he can handle the tough times that are coming. And here is a big box. I ordered some things from Amazon. ये इसको open किया था, and I'm going to show you. These are the few things that I have ordered. और ये everything has come, almost everything. Only one thing is left, and I was wondering कि एक और भी बाकी है. And here it is. I'm going to show you one by one. So this is the remote for Android phone. इसको पुपुल हमें ना सिंक करना पड़ेगा फ़ोन के साथ to take the photographs, ठीक है ना, so that we can easily take selfies.
Both Android and iOS, not only Android.
Yeah, absolutely. And here are some more things. But before this is much essential since I carry my lunch from my home, and in this winter days it's too cold. So opting for something like this. इसमें इलेक्ट्रिकली प्लग इन भी कर सकते हैं हम, खाना गर्म रहेगा. देखते हैं, अभी यूज़ करने के बाद ही आई कैन से समथिंग क्लियरली. तो दिस इज़ द बॉक्स. यहाँ पे ये प्लग इन वाला है. There are 2 cases. और यहाँ पे प्लग भी होगा अंदर. दिस आर बिग इनफ. और प्लग का कहाँ पे है? I have to venture to. I just see when I slide this one. Oh wow, this is amazing, isn't it, Pupul? देख कितना अच्छा है. तो इसको प्लग इन कर देंगे ना और बंद कर देंगे तो द फूड विल बी वार्म इनफ. बिकॉज जितना भी हॉट केसेस में भी ले जाती हूँ ना, इट बिकम्स टू कोल्ड. दिस इज़ ओके, बट आई हैव टू जस्ट बी केयरफुल दैट आई डोंट पुट वाटर इन दिस आउटर वाला जो एरिया है वो तो मुझे लग रहा है ना वो कॉलिन से साफ़ करना ही सही रहेगा. This is it, my new launch. And this is the tripod stand. जब मैं कुकिंग वाला वीडियो या तो कुछ और वीडियो बनाती हूँ, आई फील कि थोड़ा सा हैंडी भी होना चाहिए. So this is
also well used for photography.
I have got another remote with it also.
Yeah.
So one we will keep separately, and only one we will be using for the time being. Okay.
But I think this one is essentially for this one.
So we will just sync and we'll check it out.
2x unboxing.
This looks smart.
Can extend also.
No, it will not extend. This is handy ones.
Handy.
For the So when you are on the move, this is very lightweight, too lightweight. अभी मेरा जो पहले वाला था ना, उसका थोड़ा सा ये वाला इसमें प्रॉब्लम हो गया. So I'm unable to use it. This is the tripod. I've got another one because these days it becomes a little problem for me to take the camera and do the recording myself. This is it. This one is heavy. I hope I don't mix this up together. This is metal body. ये सेम वैसे ही है, थोड़ा सा मुझे लग रहा है ये हार्डी ज़्यादा है ना पुप्पू?
Yeah. The color is actually nice.
Length will also go up.
Yes. You have to extend these.
You can also use it for your own photography also. So it's almost quite lengthy. Same as the previous one. This is it. And the small one. That's it. So time for us now to get ready for tomorrow's school. पुपुल को भी अपना यूनिफॉर्म बैग सब कुछ तैयार रखना है. रात को सुबह फिर से जल्दी उठना है. बट दैट इज़ व्हाट मेक्स लाइफ, नथिंग शुड बी स्टैग्नेंट. लाइक डेली रूटीन से भी हम बोर हो जाते हैं, वैसे ज़्यादा छुट्टियाँ से भी बोर हो जाते हैं. So looking forward to meet my friends tomorrow in the school also, to meet my students, though online. But yeah, definitely looking forward to meet them. उसके पहले आज रात को थोड़ा सा हम पार्टी करेंगे. पिज़्ज़ा पार्टी. So पुपुल, सब कुछ तैयार हो गया? चलो फिर. It is 9:55, almost going to be 10 in the night now. So after a long time going back to school tomorrow. So have to wind up a little earlier. तो पता नहीं अभी नींद इतना जल्दी आएगा कि नहीं. But time to have the dinner. So as I told you, we got Domino's today. Some pizza, some garlic bread. So here it is. Garlic bread sticks. This is the chicken pepperoni one. And this is the non-veg loaded pizza. The cheese dips. And the garlic bread sticks for Ma. So time for dinner. Here's my dinner. I'll be having my dinner and will enjoy something on the TV and will get prepared for tomorrow. Good night. For the time being, it was a short video, and from tomorrow again the work starts. So on the work mode now.